I'm Don. Today we build Gunpla. I challenge my daughter Nico to a build-off of this RX-78-2 Gundam. Watch as I turn this entry grade kit into this. Oh, if you're into Gunpla, do use my Suratos 10 discount code at usagundamstore.com. Hi, I'm Don. Welcome to my studio. This channel is supported by this branch. I won't talk much because this video is not meant to be a tutorial, but if you really like Gunpla and you want to learn and watch a lot of videos on Gunpla and Gunpla building, do check out my daughter's channel. I'll put the link below. Watch until the end of the video as we compare my work and my daughter's work at the end of the video. Oh, if you like the video, do subscribe as we scribe. It's been a while since I built a proper Gunpla, and at this point of the video, I'm kinda getting tired. That's it, Pansit. So my kit is the one at the right, or wait, or at the left. So kidding aside, mine has the lighter, brighter blue torso, which is kind of girly in comparison to my daughter's work. So we had a lot of fun building this Gunpla. It was a really kind of serious build-off against my daughter. She's kind of better at me when it comes to detailing already, because excuse, it's been a while. And she's really good with the chisels and stuff like that. She even added like pistons on the leg or at the foot area. And she has more panel line scribing and overall details in comparison to my model. However, I'm really happy with this build. It's kind of been a while. So as you can see, a golden lemon level like Gunpla is kind of like a lot of work, because you have to add details. Since Gunpla is like based on anime or cartoons, it doesn't really have too much detail. So if you want to like customize it, you really have to add more details. So again, we had a lot of fun, but it was tiring. We were both competitive. Me and my daughter are both competitive. So there's a kind of like pressure of trying to build a good Gunpla in 3 days. We're going to do this again if people like it. So do give the video a thumbs up so that we know that you like this build off. Lastly, do visit my daughter's channel. I'll put the link below because she has her own video of her build. That's it, we're done. I hope you liked the video. Do like, comment, subscribe, and consider joining the channel so that you'll be part of our Discord community. Saludos!